Okay na?
Okay.
Good morning once again. We continue with our next activity. This will be the credit conference for our consulting services. So with this, Sir Perch, we get the details of the projects.
Once again, good morning. Our second activity is the private conference of one consulting services.
Okay.
Contract ID is 24 CSBD02.
Excuse sir, stay po muna pala yung napalipan. Hindi, pwede na lang para maalaman na nila. Out of 5, 4.
We have 4 shortlisted consultant.
First, 5.
Out of 5.
Okay. Para malaman yung mga.
RCC shown Environmental Management Consultancy Services. Second is the Groundworks Geotechnical Testing Services. Third is PAR Geotechnical Testing Center. Fourth is TERBS Concrete Testing. So the contracting consulting services for geotechnical exploration, municipality of Enrile, Amulung, Iguig and Tuguegarao City. Contract location, municipality of Enrile, Amulung, Iguig and Tuguegarao City. Source of fund, DEO 2024. The ABC is 4,066,679.18 pesos. The contract duration, 90 calendar days. The amount of bidding document, 5,000. Implementing office, Cagayan 3rd District Engineering Office. The date of opening of and the place of opening is conference hall, DPWH, CGY3rd. 9:30 a.m.
Thank you, Sir Perch. Tawag mo si Juan. Chester. I-discuss lang yung terms of reference dito. Wala naman yung programa niya. Sir Chester, could you give some the information as to the terms of reference for the wala yung programmer mo, di ba?
Ayan, dyan sa si Adelaide. Yung sa, ano to, sir?
Sige, in terms of reference, dapat dito tayo, paano yung mapitingin, ano
Kung nandiyan si Odoy, patawag mo. Yung roads yung ginawa lang niya, Adelaide. Ito ba yun, sir?
Hindi,
Flood control yan,
that is flood control. This is flood control ito eh.
Hindi ako nag-ano dito, sir. Ang ginawa na ni Adelaide. So, hindi ko kabisado. Pero kung ano doon sa ano,
Baka parehas lang naman yung term of reference mo doon sa road sa bridge sa ito.
sige, sir. Ay, ano ko na.
Ito po kaya yung terms of reference. Ayan. Tapos parehas sa ganit ng roads doon sa Capneti.
Yung sa, ano kasi, sir, sa flood control, ang kailangan.
Duration of 90 days po siya. So the scope of work will be consultants shall provide all the labor, equipment, instrument, equipment, materials, and supplies, vehicles, compounds, etc. necessary to perform satisfactorily the geotechnical investigation, field works, laboratory testing, soil investigation and preparation of report, geotechnical evaluation report. Regarding the borehole location po, Geotechnical investigation shall also include the geotechnical assessment of the site with at least 20 meters per holes at the proposed location of each flood control project. Boreholes shall be drilled where there is significant difference between adjacent boreholes or in areas where subsurface condition is complex or variable. This shall be made upon the instruction of the geotechnical engineer. So the borehole depth is, if foundation type has not been specified, boring shall be carried out with a minimum depth of 20 meters in ordinary soil or 2 3 meters into sound rock if rock is encountered above the depth. In case bearing layer is not encountered and or upon the instruction of the geotechnical engineer. So, good, sir. So, as situated din po sa terms of reference, dapat po merong isang key personal detailed task responsibilities and qualification, one team leader with a weight per person of 40%, one laboratory technician which is 30% weight per person, data encoder and interpreter, one person 10%, technician required is 4 person, total of 10%, then one aid which is 10%, a total of 100%. Then
Yung modo.
payment, there is no advance payment consultancy. The final payment shall be made only after the final report and a final statement identified such shall have been submitted by the consultant and approved as satisfactory by the procuring entity. For the work schedule, the consultant contract period for undertaking the geo shall be after receipt of notice to proceed.
Okay na. Thank you, Sir Richard.
Parang may
Christian.
narinig ako
Ay, Sir Christian.
resistivity. Parang hindi siya, hindi natin kasali sa geotechnical, sir, baka clerical. Kasi ibang yun, sir, sa water resources po yun.
Dati yung TOR. Pati yung mode of payment, kailangan i-specify natin per linear meter, meter hola,
Yes, sir, per linear.
per linear meter. So, bakit kailangan bibidding nito? Sa first sa November.
November po, sir.
I think yun na order rectify yun sa ako natin. Yung nakalagay dun sa TOR, terms of reference. Wala.
I-add ko na lang, sir, dun sa, sir, dapat, dun sa proposed file line, dun dapat sila magano.
Wala, hindi nakalagay. Yung nga, pag-iko na lang, i-verify na lang natin yung COR.
Dun sa proposed file line, sir, dapat naka-ano. Dun sa
May naka-detail kung saan ka makukuha ng ang board file.
nag-coordinate na lang sila dun sa mga designer, sir.
Further pa na lang natin study mo kung kasi mamaya yung COR. Pati yung mode of payment, ilagay nyo per linear meter. O, hindi per all. Kasi kung hindi mo naabot yung 20, ngayon bayaran mo yung 20. Kung nag-exit ka naman sa 20, paano? Magbabayad tayo natin siya. Variation siguro.
Sir,
Any changes, kailangan i-refer na lang sa head of the implementing section. Kung during the implementation.
yung item na yata yun, sir, kung magkulang yung additional.
Diba?
Yun po yung...
Kasi per layer, kukuha tayo ng sample din eh. Kaya with the arrangement with our district engineer, the implementing section, hindi ko lang alam, pero yung PDO na mabibigyan dyan is yung mga materials engineer. Pero supplementing, ewan ko lang kung qualified ako supplementing kasi bawal yung sa section. Baka either sa instruction yung head, napipirma sa voucher, pero yung assign na project engineers, PDO will be the materials engineer. Kasi nasa PDS kasi natin yun yung mga under sa QAS yung regarding dun sa soil exploration. Para hindi tayo technical sa PDS. Pero yung sa implementing section, kahit sino yung head, ang gusto ko lang yung materials na susupervise.
So later on,
Tapos ikaw,
hindi sir. Hindi, most likely ang materials talaga, ang QAS talaga ang
hindi yung picture sa voucher.
Hindi naman yata required na PE ang sir, consultancy. So,
Hindi mas knowledgeable ng
doon
content.
sa regional office, ang in charge talaga sa geotechnical, galing QAS.
Hindi, QAS na yung mga susupervise. Pero as regard sa voucher, iwan ko lang.
siya na rin sir.
Kung pwede, why not?
Siya na yung sir.
So, ikaw kami ng...
Kasi may DEO kasi tayo noon na bawal magmahawak ng project, yung materials at saka yung
Nga lang,
Hindi naman
later on,
sir. Hindi naman civil works yun sir. So,
ikaw,
Ano
kung
naman
sino
yan?
yung designer, samahan lang nila kung saan yung file line na sinasabi nito, hindi na tested.
kasi may mga layer-layer na kukunin. Para pero pag nag-review natin yung implementation. Pero sa mag-supervise, yung materials ito,
Yan din lang ang work, nag-supervise ng QAS, siya din ang pipirma. Bali parang
hindi, parang gano'n din. Ano na mga bago doon? O, any
Additional pa.
criteria. O, sige, criteria.
So good morning ulit. For our prospective bidders, please note that the for the submission of your bids, it will be subjected for detailed criteria and rating system for the technical evaluation of bids, Annex B of Department Order 143 Series of 2022. As follows: 1 is the experience of the firm, 10 points. 2 is the qualification of proposed key personnel. Yeah. Yes. Yes. So qualification for the second is the qualification of proposed key personnel, 80 points, a total of 80 points, wherein 2A is the educational training and publication, 30 of the 80 points. D is the experience of key personnel, which is 50 points. Lastly, methodology, 10 points, wherein 3A is 8 points, clarity, feasibility, innovativeness, and comprehensiveness of the plan approach. And 3B is 2 points, quality of interpretation of project problems, risks, and suggested solutions. 2 points, quality of interpretation of project problems, risks, and suggested solutions. For the as stated in the RUI, evaluate bids using quality cost-based evaluation selection or QCBE procedure for the technical and financial proposals having weights of 65% and 35% respectively, wherein the passing is 75%.
80?
80, sorry, 80.
80%.
Sorry, 80. That would be us.
That will be used during the evaluation, with evaluation,
Yes.
at the same time with the post. Any further query or suggestions from the top members? Sir Ayo?
Please verify yung dun sa sabi mo kanina sa
Terms. TOR.
pero yung sukatan dun sa accomplishment,
Payment.
yung sa payment, dapat tayo dun talaga specify yung baka mamaya malito yung contractor, pero all yung alam niya.
Mga per hall. Lagay natin doon sa tiwara.
Per linear meter per hall.
Oh,
Per linear meter na lang.
Per linear.
per linear meter. Pero per linear meter yung payment. Kasi yung hall you're required to ilang
At least-
calls ang gagawin mo. At least
At
2
least,
calls.
number of
Manage mo na yung
calls.
package.
Kasi yung BEP, dapat
Yung ganda is so per linear
hindi na
meter.
tayo mag-visit.
Makukonfuse yung punta ko sir.
Okay. Thank you. Sir Leo. Any suggestion or clarification? Sir Richard? Si Ma'am.
Walang isang 75%.
Hindi second.
Minimum technical score is 75%. No budget.
Service ni.
Pero 75. Depensa mo sana ako. Okay. Being no more concern for this particular issue, we will now close this activity. Thank you, ma'am, for the time.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Madam.